Namaste. Let's learn yoga for PCOD. So I'll teach you a few asanas, then we'll do 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar and 1 pranayam. So all together ये सब आप रोज practice कर सकते हो to reverse your PCOD, to give yourself relief from the period cramps, etc. ठीक है, तो आइए शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले let's do a quick centering practice. Just bring your mind and body to the practice. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly place your hands in Chin Mudra, back straight, neck straight, shoulders relaxed. A quick centering practice to bring yourself onto the mat. And gently open your eyes. Let's begin. The first one which you can do is butterfly pose. तो यहाँ पे I'll teach you 1 round of each one, but you have to practice 3 rounds of each at least. तो butterfly के लिए soles of the feet साथ में होंगे. Your hands will be under your feet and start to flip your knees up and down like this. So try your knees are touching the ground as well as to your elbows. Keeping your back straight, chest out. Do this for 1 minute, 3 rounds of each. If this is difficult, then place your one leg forward, other leg on your thigh and start with your palm, support with your palm, supported half butterfly. This you can practice for 3 rounds each on both legs. The next one, you'll stretch your legs forward, that is Chakki Chalanasana. Interlock your hands and start to move your hands across your legs in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. 1. Do this for 20 rounds on one side. And 20 on other side. Again you can practice this 3 times. Good. Then what you will do is sit in Malasana, both your legs hip width apart, join your palms, push your knees with your elbows, keep your back straight, sit here for 1 minute or as long as you can. Again we will do this for 3 minutes. You can pause the video and practice here, or you can have a look at all the poses and then practice. Hold it, keep breathing and relax. Once done with 3 rounds, the next one is Bhujangasana. Lie down on your abdomen, your head on the mat, both your palms will be beside your shoulders. Lift your head up, chest up, elbows bent, elbows close to the body, look up. Keep your shoulders away from your ears, not like this but away, and look up. Hold it again for 30 seconds. This also you can do for 3 rounds and then release. The next one is Dhanurasana. Catch your right ankle with the right hand, left ankle with the left hand. Now lift your head up, chest up, knees, thighs off the mat and look up. Lift yourself as much as you can and hold the posture for 30 seconds या फिर जितना आप होल्ड कर सकते हैं. इसको भी 3 बार करेंगे. Then release. From here, lift yourself up, lie down on your back, knees bent, bridge pose, the last posture for today. Both your palms beside your body. Now lift yourself up, hips up, chest up, chin to chest and hold the posture. इसको भी हम 30 seconds के लिए hold करेंगे. Again 3 rounds चाहिए.
तो आप यहाँ पे बैक को सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं इस तरह से एंड होल्ड फॉर लॉन्गर. कीप ब्रीदिंग, होल्ड and then
come out. Just hug your knees to your chest for the counter pose. Lift yourself. One pranayam which is really good for PCOD is Kapalbhati. So you'll sit straight, both your hands in Chin Mudra. For Kapalbhati, you will do continuous exhalations, forceful exhalations, but inhalations will be passive. So how it will go? Abdomen से आपका breathe out होना चाहिए. So like this. Inhalation automatically होगा. आप अपना एक हाथ एब्डोमेन पे रख सकते हैं टू ऑब्जर्व योर प्रैक्टिस. तो कैसे करेंगे? ब्रीद इन डीपली एंड देन स्टार्ट टू एक्सहेल. राइट. ये आप 1 मिनट तक कर सकते हैं. इसको भी आप 3 राउंड एटलीस्ट कीजिए. ठीक है. 1 मिनट या फिर 60 to 80 pumps. Like 1 pump is second. So inhale. Like this you can continue for 3 rounds. Then Surya Namaskars you can do for at least 3 to 6 rounds every day. Surya Namaskar ka link I'll put in the description box.